Ha?
Nay, ako pa.
Ano ka, partner?
Lemon.
Matamis siya ka na.
Oo.
It's a radish.
Oh. I did not taste your siopaw yet. I have a food. Ano naman yung siopaw?
Joy. Joy to the world.
Kami.
Ano si Maricel? Video lang to, video.
Hi, Nel. Merry Christmas, Nel.
Merry Christmas din po.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Okay, your gift here.
My gift.
Up here.
This up here.
Oh, she wants to raffle.
Raffle.
My goodness.
A gift for me. Somebody gave me.
I thought it will be raffle.
Champagne ni.
Champagne. Let's drink it. Now, sige.
Let's share. Let's share.
Champagne.
Oh, for the New Year.
Sit here. Sit down. Wow, my God.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down.
There's a photo.
That's cheesecake.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Ay, pa ba siya, no?
It's again West Claudia.
Oh, she's not here. She's on vacation. She's on vacation.
Who won out?
Vacation.
It's a champagne.
Is there any alcohol? No.
No alcohol. No alcohol.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Saksi.
Alright.
Saksi niyo.
I'm trying to share with all of you.
No more champagne.
Mahirap ang ano.
Meron pong saksi dito.
Hindi ako dati nga eh.
Ganon? Hindi kayo nag-celebrate, no? Kahit birthday?
Yeah.
Depende naman sa kanya.
Sino yun? Sige.
Yung kaibigan ko din, ganon eh.
Nagka-celebrate sila ah. Nagka-celebrate din sila eh.
Ama pick already.
Walang gas.
You pick yours, right?
Tipid sila, tipid.
Radish pala yan.
Can I see, make it my mind?
How come nobody likes the peach?
Oh, I love it. You want to change?
How to turn it on, Nay?
Give me one more.
And then this one. Kung gusto mo yeah.
You can pick one here.
Hi, Veron.
Ilan, May?
It's si Nilbert, video ng video.
Sige, video.
Okay.
Thank you.
Video ko nga si Nilbert.
With Martha too. With Martha.
You like that color? Okay. That is very warm.
Thank you.
Ayoko ng flash.
Jesus. Hi, Jesus.
Say hello. It's a video.
And my wish on food.
Oh, me and Maria. Maria.
Share ko.
Share.
Yes.
Okay.
I understand. Sayan? Ayoko na lang. Kunin ko na lang sa'yo.
Sino nag-decorate? Nilbert, ikaw?
Ano?
Nag-decorate?
Not too close.
Ikaw?
Kami.
Ay, ganda ng ano.
Thank you.
What goes on behind this door?
This is our party time. We are working outside there and also have party hours.
I think that's great. I think you should party a lot.
Yeah.
You want to come to join?
Yeah. Join us. See Meta and Betty.
Oh.
But I'll wish you all a Merry Christmas.
Sino daw yun na yun? Kamag-anak niya?
And all your care you gave my
Mary.
Welcome back.
Lorraine.
Oo.
Doktor yun eh.
Nasa stand. Namatay na si Lorraine.
Buti dumadalaw ka dito, no?